The nuances of bossy. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a word that many of you might have heard but are unsure about its full meaning and usage. That word is bossy. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means, its usage in sentences, and its possible connotations. Bossy is an adjective that describes someone who likes giving orders to other people, often in an authoritative or dominating manner. Imagine someone always telling you what to do, how to do it, and when to do it, even when it's not their place to give such directions. That person can be described as bossy. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some example sentences. 1. She didn't want to play with her older sister because she found her too bossy. 2. My manager is very bossy. He always micromanages everything. 3. Don't be so bossy. Let others express their ideas too. These examples illustrate how bossy can be used to describe people in various situations, be it in a family setting, at the workplace, or in general social interactions. It's crucial to understand that calling someone bossy often carries a negative connotation. It suggests that the person is overly controlling or domineering, and not many people appreciate being described in that manner. However, context is key. In some instances, someone might be described as bossy in a playful or teasing manner among friends or family. To enrich your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for bossy: domineering, overbearing, dictatorial, authoritative. While all these words are related, they have nuanced differences, so it's always a good idea to understand their specific contexts before using them. And that wraps up our exploration of the word bossy. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of its meaning, usage, and the emotions it can evoke. Remember, words are powerful tools for communication, and understanding their nuances can significantly improve the way you connect with others. Until next time, happy learning!